What's up, chefs, foodies, and students? Welcome to Everybody Knows, the space where we talk about culinary and food aromas using a universal food aroma wheel. I'm Anders. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. Years ago, I wondered why all the aroma wheels I had seen were centered on or designed for a singular product. In case you don't know, there are aroma wheels for evaluating certain products like beer, wine, tea, coffee, etc. So naturally, I was curious what a universal aroma wheel would look like. For food, just so we're clear, I'm a culinary teacher, so I made one. And what you're about to see will likely overwhelm you a little bit when you're seeing it for the first time. This is my first finalized version, which took about 7 years of on and off arranging, brainstorming, comparing, researching, and smelling before I said, okay, this spreadsheet will never be perfect, so let's get this version into a visual format, and here it is. 12 major categories. 3 levels of subcategories. And over 850 outermost aroma identifiers. Yes, I'm insane. And I happen to have the necessary skills to create such a thing. And generally speaking, this is a tool for developing language around food aromas. If I asked you to tell me, what does a strawberry smell like? You'd probably be thinking, strawberry? And that's probably about it for most people. It's a little strange that our language describing smells isn't really well agreed upon or too well developed. So who is this for? Well, if you're an average person, the story may end here, and I wouldn't blame you. If you're a chef, a culinary teacher, culinary student, foodie, brewer, coffee roaster, or specialty food worker, then you might want to stick around or even jump in. For starters, if I were you, I would subscribe so that you can continue to see how this tool can be used and contribute to the project through comments or messages. If you are interested in getting a copy of this wheel for you or your program, have a look in the comments for a link. If you're into this, go ahead and head over to the channel where there are some videos on the categories, more about how the wheel came to be, and more content will appear over time. And if you have experience in aromas or specific products or ingredients, you could be a part of helping move this project forward. My hope is that periodically this wheel will evolve and improve, which will be released as newer versions of the wheel. Really, I'm looking for people with different experiences, expertise, and backgrounds than I have. So if this project calls to you, please send me an email or a message. That about wraps it up for this video. Check out the channel, get yourself a copy of the wheel to follow along with or use as you like, and I'll see you in future videos. Thanks so much. Bye.